Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to blur the background of your clip in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this, what you want to do is go over to the color tab, and here at your node, right click it, go to add node, add serial. Then you have selected the second node. What you want to do is drag this slider all the way to the beginning of the clip, then go over to this window. Then select this one, and then what you want to do is just outline the person or the thing that you want the background to be blurred off. Okay, once you did this, what you want to do is go over to this tab, to the tracker tab, and then hit this button, the track forward button. Now what DaVinci Resolve does is track your object so you can blur the background afterwards. Now once the tracking is finished, right click your second node, go to add node and go to add outside. Then here under effects, select the Gaussian blur and drag it on top of your third node. Once you did this, you can adjust the blur here on the right under settings. Yeah, but I'll just leave it like this. And now once I go back, this is my finished video. Of course the quality is not so good of the clip, but you can see the background is blurred. Okay, that was a quick tutorial on how to blur the background of your clip in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.